Hello and good day everyone. I am a student from Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, San Isidro Campus. My name is Mhar Kennette Banal from BSE 3B, major in mathematics. And our topic for today is all about composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers can be defined as natural numbers that have more than two factors. In other words, a number that is divisible by a number other than 1 and itself is called a composite number. Let's learn more about composite numbers with examples. 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10 are the first few composite numbers. Let's take 4. In the above example, 4 is called composite number because it is made by combining other numbers. In this case, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. But before we dig deeper to our lesson, let me just give you a little peek about prime numbers. What is a prime number? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 whose only factors are 1 and itself. A factor is a whole number that can be divided evenly into another number. The first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. And maybe you are wondering, why is 1 not a prime number? The answer to this lies in the definition of a prime number itself. For a number to be called as a prime number, it must have only two positive factors. Now, for 1, the number of positive divisors or factors is only 1, and it is 1 itself. So, number 1 is not a prime number. And take note, 2 is the smallest number that satisfies the definition of a prime number. Back to the main topic. For the properties of composite numbers, a composite number is a positive integer that can be formed by multiplying two smaller positive integers. Note the properties of a composite number listed below. All composite numbers are evenly divisible by smaller numbers that can be prime or composite. Every composite number is made up of 2 or more prime numbers. How to find composite numbers? In order to find a composite number, we find the factors of the given number. If the number has more than 2 factors, then it is a composite. The best way to figure out a composite number is to perform the divisibility test. The divisibility test helps us to determine whether a number is a prime or a composite number. Divisibility means that a number is divided evenly with no remainder by another number. And look at this example. For example, the number 6. 6 is divisible by 2 and 3 that makes it a composite number. And here is the visual representation of what I've mentioned. 6 can be divided exactly into 2 groups. And it is also can be divided into 3 groups with no remainder. So this means that the number 6 is a composite number. And another example is the number 7. But come to think of it, number 7 cannot be divided up exactly. So that means the number 7 is a prime number. To review, when a number can be divided up exactly, it is a composite number. And when a number cannot be divided up exactly, it is a prime number. And here in the photo, we can see that composite numbers have factors and they can be divided up exactly. Unlike the prime numbers, they can be only divided by 1 and themselves. And now, let's talk about factors. We can also define a composite number using factors. Factors are numbers we multiply together to get another number. And as you can see in this picture, it is the list of numbers 1 to 14 and their factors. Factors other than 1 and the number itself are highlighted. We tackle that 1 is not a composite nor a prime number because it doesn't qualify the category of a prime number. And 2 is the smallest prime number we can have. And it only has 1 and itself as factors, same as goes by 3. 4 is a composite number because it has other factors rather than 1 and itself. 5 is a prime number. 6 is a composite number. 7 is a prime number. 8 is a composite number. 9 is also a composite number. 10 is a composite number. 11 is a prime number. 12 is a composite number. 13 is a prime number. And lastly, we can see that 14 is a composite number. So, when there are more factors than 1 or the number itself, it is a composite number. To summarize our discussion for today, composite numbers are numbers with more than 2 factors. 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, then it is a prime number. That is all for today. Thank you for listening. Hope you learned something. Always keep safe. God bless and thank you.